The pink Brocade snare drum. The dimensions of this drum are 5.5 by 14. It's a 9-ply Magnum Keller shell, standard 45-degree bearing edges. The snare beds are 16-inch deep and 3 inches wide. For hardware, it has 3.5-inch champagne lugs, DW mag throw, Pure Sound Custom Pro 20-strand snares in brass, hoops, tension rods, and washers are all from Drum Factory Direct, and Evans drum heads. Coated reverse power center on the top, glass 500 on the bottom. The drum is wrapped with a silk fabric, which is adhered with killer red tape. I did test a section with spray adhesive, but it left blotchy stains. The outside is then protected with several layers of Scotch Guard, while the inside is finished with boiled linseed oil. Now the main question, how does it sound?